In this video I'm going to show you how to bridge your crypto to the Ton network. It's important to know how to use bridges to transfer your crypto between different chains. I'm gonna use the Rhino bridge because it's the first crypto bridge that has added the Ton network to its list of available networks. First, you need to connect your wallet. It must be a non-custodial wallet. I'm using MetaMask. Next, confirm, authenticate your wallet, confirm, enable L2 access, confirm again, and my wallet is connected. Now I'm going to bridge USDT from my MetaMask to my Telegram wallet. I need to select the network from which I'll transfer my assets. Here you can see a list of available networks. It's also convenient that I can see the amount of crypto available on each network. In Scroll, I have 139 USDT, in Ethereum 712, and so on. I'm going to select OPBNB. USDT is already selected as the crypto I'll transfer. Next, I need to choose the destination network. I've selected the Ton blockchain and I'm going to receive USDT into my Telegram wallet. I'll enter 10 USDT in this field and I'll receive 9.95 USDT in my Ton wallet. Now I need to connect to Ton by selecting a Ton wallet. You can open your Telegram wallet, TonKeeper, or any other Ton-compatible wallet. I'm connecting my Telegram wallet by clicking Open Wallet in Telegram Desktop. If you are doing this on your smartphone, make sure to open it using the Telegram mobile app. RhinoFi wants to connect to TonSpace. I click Connect Wallet. Now RhinoFi is connected to TonSpace, so I return to the Rhino bridge interface. Next, I need to set a spending cap for USDT. This is just another step required. RhinoFi now asks me to switch my network from Ethereum to OPBNB. Here I need to allow RhinoFi to spend my USDT. The gas fee is less than 1 cent. I click Approve. Finally, I can bridge my 10 USDT by clicking the Bridge button. The estimated fee is less than 1 cent again, thanks to the OPBNB network. If you used Ethereum, the fee would likely be several dollars. Now I confirm the transaction. The bridge has been initiated. It will finalize, and my balance will update in about 1 minute and 30 seconds. I can track the progress in the transaction record. Here you can see the transaction is processing. If I click on it, I can see it's still pending. While waiting, I'll check my MetaMask balance. Now I have 142 USDT, which means 10 USDT has been withdrawn from my OPBNB balance. I also check my Telegram wallet to see if the USDT has arrived. Right now, I only have 2 USDT in my TonSpace balance, so I still need to wait for the bridge to complete. Finally, the bridging process is complete. I reload my Telegram wallet, and now I have 12 USDT in my TonSpace. According to my transaction history, I received 9.95 USDT. To recap, I've successfully bridged 10 USDT to my Ton Telegram wallet, and I only paid a 5-cent fee. If you are wondering how to bridge from Solana to Ton, or how to bridge a BSC Ton to Ton wallet or any other coin, the process is the same. For instance, the answer to the question of how to deposit money from Ton space to another network is to simply click here. Now I can bridge my USDT from Ton to OPBNB back. If I choose to bridge to Ethereum instead, I'll need to pay a total fee of 3.53 USDT. That's more expensive compared to other networks. I click on Bridge. If I had decided to transfer, I would have needed to pay a fee of around 0.46 Ton. If you would like to learn how to buy Toncoin and withdraw it from an exchange platform to your Telegram wallet or any other non-custodial wallet, such as MetaMask, check out my other video linked in the description down below. Subscribe if you found this information useful. Thanks for watching!